How to fix Snapchat keeps crashing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your Snapchat keeps crashing. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. First thing first, swipe down to on your notification panel. If you are on Wi-Fi network, turn it off and go over to mobile data. And if you are on mobile data, you can turn it off and switch back to Wi-Fi. Once you have done that, in many cases that will fix the issue. If not, you can try to toggle in your airplane mode. So just go ahead and tap on it and you can toggle your airplane mode. Keep it turned on for a few seconds and turn it off. Try to open Snapchat again. If that doesn't work, then all you have to do is long press on Snapchat and tap on the I button here to go to app info. You need to clear its cache because oftentimes not clearing these kind of files will cause the issue. Go to storage and from there tap on clear cache. Go back here and then simply tap on permissions. Make sure that all of the permissions are allowed here, and once that is done you can go back. Try to force stop the app because oftentimes what happens is if there's something going on in the background, force stopping it will completely shut it down and it's going to fix the issue. Now try to restart your phone once, long press on your power button, then tap on the restart button here and you should be good to go. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.